Hello friends. So over the weekend we built a gate at the property. We put two 20-foot posts in and did a cross member over the top, a little entryway if you would. So I did that all on my own. It was really tricky. I kind of videoed it and here we go. Take a look. Let me know what you think. Alright, I guess I'm going to try to put one of these fucking poles in that fucking hole. So I've had numerous people ask me how I'm going to do this by my damn self. And this is the best thing I thought of. I'm going to slide this right off into that hole and stand it up if I can. I probably won't be able to, but we're going to try. Here we go. Probably going to be up in that thing in a second. That's how I did it by myself. Boom! Smoke them if you got them. We'll see if I can get two stood up in the hole and if I get this one in the proper spot, because I gotta measure it just right. Get this one to work, so we'll see. I put my phone in a different spot. We'll see if we knock her over. Whew. Took about an hour to dig the hole, 4 foot deep. Just let you dry hard and dirt. Put it right in the hole. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it or not, but shoot right in the hole. There she goes. Now, if I measure it, and she measures right, I gotta put the gate in between it. So if I measure right, I'll cement it in and go back home and go to bed. All right. So today, I want to get that up there. So this was my idea. I don't know if it's going to work. I haven't built it yet, but I'm going to build 2 of these and hopefully set it up there, and we'll see. We'll fucking see. I'm very doubtful.